బ్యాడ్మింటన్ స్టార్ గుత్తా జ్వాల మాట్లాడుతుంది. ఇప్పుడు ఆ లైవ్ చూద్దాం.
Delhi was very special. It was needed at that time because Indian media and Indian public also didn't know the kind of level we are competing at, and it was very important for us to win in front of our home crowd, and that's when the popularity of badminton increased. So I would say Delhi is still more special.
ఓకే, సెకండ్ సెట్ లో ఎక్కడ మిస్టేక్ జరిగింది అనుకున్నా? దాదాపు స్కోర్ లెవెల్ అవుతుంది అనుకుంటా. సో మళ్ళీ
నాకు గుర్తులేదు. I've forgotten everything because I'm telling you, being an athlete, nobody likes to lose kuda. ఓడిపోవడం అంటే అరే ఏదో ఒక చోట బాధ ఉంటుంది. So we tried to forget and we only looked at the positive. We didn't come back empty handed, which was very important. And ఇప్పుడు ఈ స్టేజ్ లో after what I had been through last whole of year, the kind of mental harassment and which was not needed kuda, it was unnecessary. ఇంట్లో కూర్చొని మీ మీద ఏదో అయినట్టుంది. It was really unnecessary. And after all that, coming out and practicing every day, which was still, ఆ motivation లేదు, ఎందుకు చేస్తున్నా అది అలాంటిది feeling though we went and we still got back a medal. I think I will definitely give credit to Ashwini and me.
ఓకే, సింగిల్స్ ప్లేయర్స్ కి ఎక్కువ ప్రయారిటీ వస్తుందని చెప్పేసి కామెంట్ చేశారు కదా.
అది నేను ఎప్పుడో నుంచి అంటున్నా. I don't think this is something new.
ఎక్కడ మిస్టేక్ ఎక్కడ ఉంది అనుకుంటున్నారు? అసోసియేషన్ లోనా లేకపోతే ఎవరైనా ఇండివిజువల్ గా వ్యక్తులు ఏమైనా ఎఫెక్ట్ చూపిస్తున్నారు అనుకుంటున్నారా? లేదా టార్గెట్ చేశారు అనుకుంటున్నారా?
నన్ను కాదు, నన్ను టార్గెట్ చేయడం, all that I don't think this is the right platform to talk about right now. Doubles, yes, doubles has not been given that priority. That is one of the reasons why mixed doubles, mixed team championship lo maaku medal raaledu, because we lacked in doubles. So ippudu kuda manam if we don't wake up and work towards our doubles, because badminton popular ayindi not because of one person, it is because of all of our efforts. Doubles lo kuda we are winning medals, singles lo kuda we are winning medals. That's why badminton has got that popularity right now. It's just not because of one singles player who's doing well. It's because of all our achievements also. So now slowly, if I retire in future and if there's nobody else, no doubles players to take over, so badminton popularity will go down again. It's just not singles. I think doubles, singles, all of us together are making badminton popular. We've got badminton to that level in India. So we need to focus on doubles and to see how we develop doubles, which is not being taken care of. And this time not winning a medal is the proof of what I've been saying for so many years.
What did you say to KCR? What did KCR say to you?
See, I feel I was quite surprised. He interacted with us and he called me by my name, so which was a very refreshing. It's very rare that such big personalities remember or probably don't know, but it was really it was very refreshing. I was very happy the way he interacted. The ideas he has for sports development in the state and in the city is absolutely brilliant. And I know he will do it because he has already got his plans in place and he's already working towards it. It's absolutely brilliant the way he spoke to us and to me especially about the sports development.
Very soon World Championship ఉంది, అలాగే నెక్స్ట్ బ్యాక్ టు బ్యాక్ ఏషియన్ గేమ్స్ కూడా ఉన్నాయి. వాటిలో ఏమైనా స్కిప్ చేస్తున్నారా లేకపోతే?
No, I am playing. As of now, I'm playing both.
తెలంగాణ ప్రభుత్వం మీరు 25 lakhs అమౌంట్ చేశారు జస్ట్ సో దానిపై మీరు ఇప్పటికైనా మీ గుర్తింపు లభించిందని భావిస్తున్నారు?
గవర్నమెంట్ ఎప్పుడు మమ్మల్ని నన్ను ఆంధ్ర గవర్నమెంట్ ఉన్నప్పుడు when I was playing in LB Stadium, I used to get shuttles when shuttles buying was not possible. So government has always been very supportive. Government of India has always been supportive. So I'm really happy the kind of initiative this Telangana government is taking, especially for the development of sports, which is a priority in our country, not only in our state, in our country, because I feel that children nowadays are getting distracted